My name is Sunni Solomon, and I serve as the Director of Student Life. On behalf of the Office of Student Life, I'd like to welcome you to Lone Star College-Kingwood. Today I want to share with you just a small piece of what we do and how you can get involved once you arrive on campus. To start with, our program is rooted in research. We know that it has been proven that students who are more engaged, that network with their peers outside of the classroom, and participate in co-curricular activities are more likely to persist and more likely to graduate. That's our ultimate goal for you. And hopefully it's your ultimate goal as well. In the spirit of that, we provide a number of comprehensive activities where you can use the skills you're learning inside class, you can engage in teamwork, you can get leadership development, and you can build activities and events that you want to see happen on campus. A number of these opportunities involve what we call transferable skills. There are also a number of positions that you can occupy, whether it's SGA, Student Government Association, the Campus Activities Board, or an ambassador role. We also have a number of student organizations, over 50 student organizations, where you can occupy a leadership role and you can focus on a specific need on our campus or a specific population. If there's not an organization that fits your needs or your interests, we offer the opportunity for you to start one. We're very connected to our students here at Lone Star College-Kingwood, and we like to see them thrive. We work with them one-on-one through mentoring and advising in the Office of Student Life, and we also work with them as groups through the RSO process, the Registered Student Organizations. We hope that you participate and get involved when you arrive on campus. We look forward to meeting you.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.